Hey, I'm happy today to bring you something very exciting about Logi. Remember I told you Logi gives you a free website, go.shopping. Go.shopping slash your username. Okay, so it's pretty cool to say go to go.shopping slash Jim or go.shopping slash whatever your name is, right? The other good thing about the website is that it opens up directly on Amazon's webpage. They don't have to sign into their Amazon account. It's going to open up right to their webpage. So you're going to send traffic through your affiliate links. Instead of driving them to your affiliate link, you're going to drive them to the go.shopping page. Well, what I'm doing is I'm driving traffic from the daily deals page. So I'm picking a couple of daily deals and I'm posting them on the go.shopping webpage and then using my social media to drive traffic to the go.shopping webpage. And check this out. Okay, you know that Logi gives you a free website of go.shopping slash your handle, your name, right? So but did you know the power of what you can do with it? Check this out. We're going to be, if you have a Facebook group that you're posting stuff to, or a blog, or somewhere you're putting your associate links, okay, this is something you're going to want to see, okay, right now. So we go to Logi, come over, okay, we're going to go to our page, our storefront, okay. Now, when you send somebody to your storefront, now up here, it's go.shopping slash you didn't know. That's my handle, my name, you didn't know, right? So daily deals with Jim. Now, my featured products, I can put whatever featured products I want on here. So I'm driving traffic to this page and I put whatever products I want of that day. The deals of the day can be going right here. And then I have collections I can have. I have my spring deals, I have May, and I have outdoor finds. You can put up to 3 collections here for them. So you drive the traffic to Logi, to this webpage. And then from here, they're going to go to Amazon, all right? But how do you get these things on here? Okay, so let's go to Amazon, all right? And let's go to today's deals, because I always go to today's deals. And I scroll all the way down to the bottom. I scroll all the way over to here and I go for the 70% off deals. I want the best deals in the world. So I'm looking for the best deals. So here we go, something for 76% off. So let's say I want to promote this. All right. Add to Logi button comes up. We add it to Logi. Now we go over to Logi, right? Let's go back. So we go back to Logi and I come over to manage. Come over to products, over to my products. There it is, already there on my Logi. Now all I have to do is this star button, make it a favorite. I'm going to make it a favorite, right? Now we're going to go back over to the go.shopping, my website. And there it is, my featured product. So what you do is you find your deals of the day. You put them up here as your featured product. The first top 3, let's say, you can get 4 on here. You put top 4, right? You get your best deals of the day, and then you drive traffic from your social medias to your go.shopping, okay? Great tool to use, and it's free. God, it's free. Can you believe it's free? And of course, it's got your links to all your social media up here, and then you can put whatever collections you want. You can create all kinds of collections, and okay, your new products are going to be down here. All right. Now, the really good thing about it too is they can go ahead and they can go through all your content, see all your shopable videos, all your live content. Once they're on the page, and they can see all your products. So they can really go down the rabbit hole, right? And start spending a lot of money. And you're going to use your offsite link. Obviously, you're going to use your offsite link. So you're getting the 24-hour cookie and whatever they buy for 24 hours. So you just want to drive the traffic to Amazon. So you're driving the deals. You find your deals. You put them on here on your featured products, right? And then you drive traffic to your go.shopping page. It's incredible. Logi. Are you a member of Logi yet? If you're not a member of Logi yet, there is a link in the bottom in the description for to join Logi. Use my special code jimmullen to get in. All right. They're not letting everybody in. We're still in beta. But this is something you want to get in. If you're an Amazon associate or an Amazon influencer, this is how you get. And not only that, Logi gets you 50% commissions on products that they promote. Okay, so you're getting your Amazon commissions, you 1 to 2 to 4%, and on top of that, you're getting 50% commissions from Logi for promoting Amazon products. Okay, just watch the rest of my Logi content. You're gonna really love it.